Momiyo mokoro gikawo ndamo mar ni odiochieng' man makiny mondo mi gidhi gichwalo bok mage magiwaka e doho mar Supreme Court. Ogai mar Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga, jalupne Martha Karua, Kalonzo Musyoka kaachiel gi jotelo moko omedo jiwo ni wachno ka giyango ni koro wuoth mar manyo ratiro ne jo Kenya Kiny Chakore ayanga e doho mar Supreme Court mayudore Nairobi. Kwethno noloso e kanisa mar Jesus Teaching Ministry mayudore Nairobi e seche mabende koro ne gijuore alam makende. Ne gin jotelo mathoth mabende koro notenogi.
You shall conquer. You can conquer them and capture all that they have looted. And also rescue all your people, including your wives, if they be taken away. This David will follow the David of the Bible. We will pursue them. We will conquer them. And we will bring back all the loot back home. I want you to know that there's no doubt in our minds that the Kenyan people spoke loudly on the 9th of August, spoke so loudly that the voice of the people of Kenya will not be muzzled. It will not be stolen away. That the victory of the people of Kenya will not be stolen away. The late Archbishop Desmond Tutu said that without truth, there can be no justice. Without justice, there can be no peace. Without peace, there can be no reconciliation. There will be no reconciliation, there will be no peace, there will be no justice until truth is known. And truth is going to be known because we already know it ourselves, and we are going to show it wide and open starting tomorrow. We will go to our country.
The salvation of God. I would add a political note that as far as I'm concerned, the lawyer that is in me tells me, even the senior counsel perhaps, that this general election is not over. Because what is happening in Mombasa, in Kakamega, and the 4 constituencies, in West Pokot and Kitui, clearly tells Kenyans, and it has never happened before. I've actually run for election many times in our country. I've never seen a situation where the body charged with the responsibility of conducting a general election ends up shortchanging the whole country. So, as far as I'm concerned, these matters may be canvassed elsewhere in the Supreme Court. It is arguable that no general election has taken place. Think about it. Think about it. Because what will happen in Kachaliba and other places in Kakamega and Mombasa can only be perhaps, the Constitution never anticipated that there would be a by-election situation.
Hapa kwa kanisa la Mungu niseme kwa sauti kubwa, wewe mkuu wa IEBC, sababu hiyo ni maono yako, si ya IEBC, fungulia wana Kenya wale hawajamaliza uchaguzi wafanye nini? Wamalize. Na wale tulifanya uchaguzi tukawa na maswali na sheria imeturuhusu maswali twayaipeleka kotini kwa mahakama kuu. Na hiyo ni njia moja ya kutafuta ukweli, ya kutafuta haki, ndivyo tuwe na amani ya kudumu katika